Sometimes, life gives you an invitation you don't ignore. In a land of storms and steam, where nature still reigns, I answered that call. 2 weeks deep in the heart of Yellowstone. This isn't just a journey into a wild place, but an expedition to uncover the pulse of nature herself. Rain, snow, and the elements tested my resolve as a wildlife filmmaker. What does it mean to stand eye to eye with a grizzly? To feel the ground tremble beneath the power of bison locking horns. Nature teaches us so many things. How to remain patient and wait for her to reveal her secrets. Come along on my journey, and together, let's discover what nature has in store for us. From Yellowstone to the Grand Tetons, this became one of the most epic adventures of my life. And you get to experience every wild and unforgettable moment as it unfolds right in front of my camera. Go behind the scenes. Experience the adventure. Witness what it takes to capture the perfect shot. And at the Oscars of Natural History Filmmaking, will my documentary on burrowing owls take home the prize?
Come back.
Be sure to stick around and find out. Because all of this, and more, unfolds in an 8-part cinematic series airing right here on Filming the Wild. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. This is where I test my limits as a wildlife filmmaker. This is not just Yellowstone. This is where you discover who you are.